I'm on a 2006 Nissan Murano, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood, and then look for your dipstick here, which you pull out, and then I would wipe it clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick it all the way back in, and then pull it out again. And at this point then we'll check the end, see if I can get this camera to zoom in. But right around where these notches are, anyways, get it to zoom in there, that kind of grid pattern there, there's like a H and then like that little grid, can't get it to stop bouncing. You can see there's some, but around that grid's where you want the oil to be. So if it's barely on this little grid pattern there next to the H, you'll want to add some because that's at the low. So basically if it's barely on this stick at this point, you're going to be low and want to add some oil. So that said, we'll stick this back in, all while the vehicle's turned off. Then here is your oil cap. So this would be what you unscrew to add your new oil. And double check that you're using the proper type of oil for your make and model. And ideally the same synthetic and conventional and brand you've been using. That's not to mix and match if you can help it. But we'll unscrew this, pops off, and then either straight from your quart jug or with a funnel, just add the new oil as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that can cause issues. But once you've got the new oil added, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would start the motor for like 10-20 seconds to circulate the new oil, and then turn it off. And then at that point I'd repeat the first process we did of pulling this dipstick out, wiping it clean, and then sticking it in again to see if we've got the right level. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in placement of your regular oil changes, which typically between like 3,000 to 8,000 miles depending on type of oil and your engine model. As they get higher mileage, you might want to do it a little more often, since cars they start to burn more oil usually. But to do those oil changes, you put the car on a slight lift to get underneath the oil pan. Then you pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug back in nice and tight. And then at that point from here you can add the recommended new oil for your particular engine model. Screw this on nice and tight, and then again start the motor for 10-20 seconds, circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then repeat that process just to double check you get the right level. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.